taking it from being product-centric to experience-centric is really the shift. Our people, when they're choosing products, want to be sure that, yes, it's going to deliver the experience that that customer needs. If it's delivering that benefit to the end consumer, that's what we're looking for, and that's the type of supplier that we want to partner with. The quality of Xantrex, the people, the service have been fantastic. It's always been a premium product. It's always been one that I've looked very highly upon. I've worked on the distribution side. It was a pleasure to work with the company. Our product directors specifically look at problems that people have, and when they talk to these owners on what would you like to see? When you come back, do you want to come back from a hike and open that door and it's cool? Or do you want to not have to worry that your pet is in that unit, that they have to worry about it getting too hot? At the end of the day, those are the things that matter. So how do we really focus on the benefit as opposed to the feature? The product's not what people are trying to buy. They're trying to buy that experience. If we can really deliver that experience, the product is the vehicle that gets them there.